In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a stop loss and take profit in TradingView. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to this trade button top right and connect to your broker. Now, I'm assuming you have done this already. I'm just going to connect to paper trading right now for this tutorial. There we go. And then if you want to set a stop loss and take profit, you simply want to go and click on the trade button top right. Then you want to select if you want to sell or buy. Of course, make sure you're on the asset you want to trade. And then over here, you can go to market, limit, or stop. You can select whichever order you want to create. I'm going to go with market right now, and I'm going to leave it like it is over here. And this is where you can set stop loss and take profit. Now, if it's hidden for you and if it just says exits, simply click on the exits menu and it's going to show you over here you have take profits and stop losses. Now, to enable these, you can click on these toggle buttons over here, and then of course you can change the price over here as well, and that's going to set a stop loss and a take profit. You can always set of course both or just one of them if you want to, of course whatever you want to do. Now here you can change it from take profit price to ticks, percentage price, reward USD, and reward percent balance, and of course you can do the same for the stop loss too. Whenever you do this, click on either the buy or sell button, depends on whatever you're doing, and you're good to go. You've successfully set a stop loss and take profit in TradingView. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.